Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faja with ID number A121-22-203. So in this video, I would like to uh, explain about the material from Group 6 that are the language production articulatory system. The process of producing language in Greek requires several processes in both the brain and the body to convert ideas into spoken words. In this process, in the articulatory system is essential because it coordinates different anatomical parts to physically produce speech sounds. States of speech production can be divided into three main states. First is conceptualization, the first step in language production. It means how to conceptualize the speech in our mind. The theory of the American psychologist David McNeill says that primitive linguistic concepts are formed as two modes of thought. These are syntactic thinking, which creates the sequence of words which we typically of when we talk about how language is initiated, and imagistic thinking, which creates a visual mode of communication. Synthetic thinking and imagistic thinking collaborate together to conceptualize conversation. Uh, Formulation. The second step in language production is it is an eventual output the process. It is easier to formulate than conceptualization. The psycholinguistic Carl Leslie published an essay focused on the psychology of language. It concentrates on how speakers produce words, sound, sentences, and phrases together so rapidly and accurately. In this stage, the linguistic form required to expression is created. This includes grammatical encoding, selecting appropriate syntactic structure, and then morphological encoding, breaking down words into syllables, and then phonetic encoding, activating articulatory gestures to create an articulatory scores for the utterance, and then articulation. The last step is to do the articulatory score with the vocal apparatus, which includes the tongue, lips, jaw, lungs, and larynx. With this execution, voice is audible. The articulatory systems the consists of several key components that facilitate sound production. Active articulator, the vocal tract becomes constricted as a result of these vocal tract segments moving in the direction of the passive articulators. Among the tongues and lips, active articulators are the lower and upper lips. Passive articulator. During the production of speech, these vocal tract segments remain motionless. The back wall roof of the mouth, upper lip, and upper teeth are viewed in instance of passive articulators. Key process in articulation. The vocal tract is used to move air mostly as a result of respiratory activities. Phonation, vocal cords in the larynx can be vibrate to make voice, voice sounds, or remain open to produce voiceless sounds, altering the flow of air as it passes through. Articulation, this involves shaping the airflow using various articulators to create specific sounds, categories by base of articulations, wherein the vocal tract, the construction occurs bilabial, velar manner of articulation, how airflow is modified, stops, fricative, nozzles, type of speech, sounds, vowels. It's produced with an unobstructed flow of air. It's characterized by tongue position and lip shape. Consonants produced with some degree of obstruction in the airflow, classified based on the pace and manner of articulation. As and then Yeah, gaining knowledge about articulatory process and language production can help one better understand verbal communication in people. The wide diversity of speech sounds across language is made possible by the complex interaction between cognitive process and psychological mechanism. For profession in language instruction, speech therapy, and linguistic, this information is crucial. Okay, thank you.